Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name's Malia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine. It's how to get really defined, juicy, popping curls. Make sure you guys like this video because it helps me out a lot, and subscribe to see more curly hair tips from your girl. Stick around and keep watching this video and I'll show you my entire routine. Alright guys, I'm fresh out of the shower and I'm just going to be showing you guys what I use in the shower because this is a very important step. So the shampoo that I use is this intensive hydration shampoo and it's from Shea Moisture. I like this one better than the regular Shea Moisture shampoo just because it's more hydrating, and if you have dry hair, which most curly girls do, I would recommend this one just because it's hydrating but it still washes and cleanses your hair. So then after that, I go in with the Curl and Shine conditioner, just the regular Shea Moisture conditioner. I love it. It's super hydrating. So usually I leave it in for about around 10 minutes just to let my hair sit and absorb everything. Once I condition in the shower, I like to put my hair up in a little bun like this. So that way I let it sit and I let all of my hair absorb all the moisture from the conditioner. So it's nice for when I want to detangle. Speaking of detangling, what I use in the shower is this Denman brush. Now, I would normally not use a brush because it rips out your hair, but since it doesn't have the little thing at the tip, and I noticed that's what rips out the hair. So this is actually really nice for detangling, and I always detangle in the shower. I'll show you guys what I do for my actual curly hair routine. So let's just get into it. So I'm just gonna take out my hair. It's a little bit dry because I did my makeup and everything, so I'm just gonna use my spray bottle with water in it. Just gonna spray my hair. Now that my hair is pretty wet, I'm just gonna detangle it once more just to make sure all the knots are out. So I'm gonna use the Denman brush. I like to make sure it's nice and detangled for when I put the product in. Now for the product that I use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Shocker, I know. This is my go-to. I always like using this. It's always worked great for me, so I love this product. So basically what I'm going to do is just spread it throughout my hair, and then after that I'm going to section it. So here we go. Take about that much and then just kind of evenly distribute it throughout your hair. I'm going to get a little bit more and then do the other side about the same amount, and then I just do the same thing. I'm gonna take my brush again and brush my bangs forward. This is how I'm gonna want them to lay. But what you're gonna wanna do, if you have bangs, you're gonna wanna brush a lot of your hair forward, even like right here. This is the part that's really frizzy for me. Even though it's frizzy, it's usually flat. So if I don't want this part to be flat, I'm going to brush it forward. So that way it's full in the back. Brush it forward like so. All right, that is enough hair, so I'm just gonna put the rest of it kind of back. Grab my claw clip, just put it in like that. Now this is like the most important part of this entire video, and this is how I use the Denman brush. So typically what I do is I kind of grab a medium-sized section because you don't want it too small or too big. Just gonna take my Denman brush, comb through it a few times, and then I just plop it underneath, and then I curl it down. Now this clumps the curls together, as you can see, so what I like to do is shake it out because if it's too clumped, it's gonna take years to dry. And then I just do this all the way around. Now that I'm done with the bottom half of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and do my bangs. So I'm just gonna take it out of the clip. So I'm gonna section off my hair, start off with these front pieces and then work my way back. And here's what I do. I literally do the same thing. I like to put the brush underneath right by my roots and then curl all the way down. I like to scrunch these a little bit because they're getting a little bit long. So they might be kind of in my face. All right, now it's time for the next section. Hair's kind of in my face right now. Next, I'm going to be putting this Daily Hydration Styling Gel. Sis, this is a gel you're going to want to get. I'm just going to put a good amount like this in my hair, and I just lather it up, and then I just scrunch it up just to make sure I get that extra hold throughout the day. What I like to do to dry my hair is I take my diffuser. This is the Diva Curl hair dryer, and it has this little hand claw thing. And I actually like it for scooping. It's really nice. This is really good for volume. I'm just gonna turn this on and diffuse my hair.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, my hair is pretty much dry. I'm just gonna pick it out and then pull out the pieces that are really clumped together. But look at those are so cute. Also, what I like to do is shake out my hair. That way all the pieces are, you know, a little bit more fluffed out. I get more volume at the roots. Now, it's time to pick out my hair. So this is probably the best step to getting volume, is just getting a little comb like this. They're literally like $1. Stick it in right by your roots and then pull out. The last step in my routine is I just put argan oil on my ends, and this is like pretty much gone. So I don't even know if there's like literally nothing left. I think there's a little bit left to put on my ends. Cause Girly lives in Arizona and it's dry. Gotta make sure the hair stays hydrated. Dang y'all, look at these curls. Look at these bad boys, they're so good. Guys, I've been wearing my hair in a bun for like a few weeks now. I haven't seen my curls in a while, so they're back, they're popping. Look at those curls. Oh yeah. All right guys, that is pretty much it for my curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you guys, because this is how I get my curls super defined, and all the products I use will be linked down below. So make sure you guys go check it out. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can see more curly hair tips from me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, because I post content on there as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.